Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from interactive brokers using withdrawal request. To withdraw funds from interactive brokers, first, log into your interactive brokers account. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay section on the main dashboard. Select Transfer Funds from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to a new page displaying various transfer options. Click on Withdraw Funds to start the withdrawal process. Next, choose your preferred withdrawal method. You may select options such as bank wire, check, or electronic funds transfer. After selecting a method, fill out the required withdrawal request form. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to double-check the account linked to your withdrawal method. Review the transaction details carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit the withdrawal request form by clicking the appropriate button. Once submitted, you should receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for any communications from interactive brokers. Typically, withdrawal requests are processed within a few business days. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the Activity section. If you encounter any issues, contact Interactive Brokers customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.